This is the Fanttik. It's a 2-in-1 110,000 Gust B11 fan and also dust blower. Now what we're going to do is open up the box, show you what you get inside, how nicely everything is packaged. You have an instruction guide that you can go over, a carrying bag, everything nicely packaged and individually wrapped. Going over everything on the table, we have a self-adhesive sticker. We have a narrow brush, a medium brush, a bristle brush, and a soft brush. We have a narrow nozzle to a wide shoot nozzle. We have inflators, narrow and wide, a lanyard strap, USB-C to C charging cable, brick not included, a clip-on for the fan, the on and off pass-through, and the USB-C pass-through, and a rotatable both direction clip-on with a little rubber to grip. The non-battery fan with 10 speeds of adjustment, the button in the back, and the connection pins and the USB-C cable. The 100 stepless gear with the fan located for the back, the blowing area, the rotatable knob for the stepless control, and the on and off button, and the charging area. In setting up the fan alone, we have the USB-C and the up arrow for the locking mechanism on top of the clip area. Simply place on, rotate to lock, and place in your USB-C cables. Hitting the on button for over 1 second turns the fan on to 3 of the speeds: low, medium, high, and cycle back to low, and then long press to shut down. Placing the fan on to the blower area is simply attaching on the same way by placing on and rotating, and the fan can be turned on by the on button, a long press, and see the power of the unit, and then rotate for the speeds of 1, 2, 3, as you see the colors changing in different color schemes for each of the speeds, up to 10. Placing on one of the nozzles is simply placing into the unit and firmly hearing a click to lock into place, and hitting the on button, a long press, to turn on the unit at 100% and rotating all the way down to 1%. The fan is easily able to turn on to dust, pick a speed, and use the brittle brush to a soft brush to clean the keys and everything else. On the back of the laptop, we have here ports that you can simply clean as well. Pick a variable speed of a higher volume. When ready for recharging, simply grab the cable, USB-C cable, plug in, and allow the unit to charge with the nice red circle and the percentage charging. Demonstration of the blower at 100%, blowing the water off of the window. Pulling off the cap and blowing. Cleaning dirt off of a chair. Even on the floor without bending. For taking care of fans and filters in an air conditioner system that you could clean. Windowsills. Or having a fan just holding by as the kitchen oven is on and cooling off nearby. There are many ways you can use the fan and adjust it to the speeds you like for those summer breeze days. At the beach, by the RV, at the boat, just outside at the deck or even at gardening or by the kitchen, wherever you need to have a 2-in-1 fan. Hang it up. Use it as a handheld fan and more. With the 1.8 AH battery, as the fan is in the on position, you're able to remove the fan and use it as a duster as well. Blow dry your nails, your hair, cool down things, wherever you need to have a fan. As simply placed on, you can see the adjustment of the light from the fan to the blower to the fan as you remove. I hope you enjoy the Fanttik fan. No matter where you want to use it, it's clip-on with one fan with the adapter that can be put in the car, plugged into a USB-C port with an optional brick. A 2-in-1 Fanttik duster and fan. I hope you enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for.